My name is James Robinson. I'm an MSD teacher in the Ohio County School System. Today I want to speak briefly about classdojo. Classdojo is a classroom management tool. I think some of the greatest benefits about this program is it allows you to speak with your students in real time, communicate with their parents in real time, to record the school day through pictures and stories, and to communicate with other teachers and collaborate with other teachers in your school. You can create as many groups or classrooms as you like. You'll see I have the running club that I'm a co-sponsor of, my MSD classroom. Now the title of this classroom and the picture will change when school starts in a couple of weeks, and the demo class where we will do experiments with today. The big deal about classdojo is you're giving your classroom a goal. For an example, if they have 100 positive points at the end of the week, maybe they get 15 minutes of extra recess time. Or individually, if they get 175 points, maybe they get 30 minutes extra recess plus 5 minutes of extra free time in the classroom. We give those points and deduct points away for not so good behavior throughout the school day. You can either let the classroom know who's getting good points or getting points taken away. That's up to you. I prefer that the classroom knows so that the peer pressure can come in play, and that they will encourage each other as a whole to do better, to get that extra free time. Just go ahead and bring your attention really quick down to the very bottom. It has multiple tools that you can use. For an example, random selection into mini groups of your students. I'll pull that up real quick. You have classroom timer. If you want to use it, a noise meter, random selection of students to different groups, and directions that you could display on their smart board. All of these can be displayed up on the smart board. Now we're going to go ahead and give all these 5 students, we're going to give them a point for all staying on task on their last assignment. So everybody knows they're doing well. We want to give Jennifer really another point for staying persistent and on task. And we want to go to Justin, and we want to add a post to his board saying, "Great job in math." And we want to add that. And so we want to go to stories. We're going to pull up Justin, and you're going to be able to see that it says "Great job in math." So his parents will be able to see that today. I will use this in my classroom to encourage my students to stay on task, to participate, and to keep their noise levels down.